The S2000, a Honda roadster, is esteemed. Automobile enthusiasts are attracted to the vehicle's thrilling performance, powerful engine, and enduring appeal. Honda launched the S2000 to commemorate its 50th anniversary in the market. Both critics and sports car aficionados praised it immediately. Despite production cessation in 2009, sports car collectors and aficionados maintain a profound admiration for the S2000. Recent media has focused on the vehicle's successful resurrection in the latter part of 2025. In the absence of specific information about the design of the 2025 Honda S2000, we can formulate reasonable estimates by analyzing prior models and current industry trends. Advanced LED headlights may replace halogen headlights. Dynamic lighting features enable the modulation of light intensity according to velocity and roadway circumstances. Integrating forceful and aerodynamic mesh grilles can elevate the vehicle's athletic aesthetic. Some automotive grilles contain air ducts for the engine and brakes beneath them. The S2000 2025 is anticipated to feature a sleek and aerodynamic appearance, characterized by pronounced shapes that emphasize its performance and velocity. Sportier body kits and reduced profiles will be integrated into the design. Projections indicate that the roof design of the convertible S2000 will have lighter, more modern materials, an enhanced folding mechanism, and a more streamlined aesthetic. Stability and traction are expected to be enhanced with the incorporation of a rear diffuser, carbon fiber elements, and an integrated spoiler. While our understanding of the 2025 Honda S2000 is limited, we can draw upon the inclinations of sports car aficionados and the latest automotive innovations to formulate an educated conjecture regarding its powertrain. Should the automotive industry prioritize the development of more powerful and fuel-efficient automobiles, the 2025 S2000 may feature a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. Turbocharging engines with displacements of 2.0 to 2.5 liters can reduce fuel consumption while augmenting power and torque.